Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether TransUnion can provide your credit score instantly online. The short answer is yes. You can get your TransUnion credit score instantly online, and often, it's free. TransUnion, like other credit bureaus, offers online services that give you immediate access to your credit score and report. You can get your TransUnion credit score instantly by signing up for their free online membership, which is sometimes called TransUnion Credit Essentials. This service provides you with your credit score and report, and it's updated daily. This means you can check it as often as you like without a fee. It's important to remember that this score is a VantageScore 3.0, and it's for your personal use. When a lender checks your credit, they might use a different scoring model. You can also access your credit report and score through other websites that partner with TransUnion. Many of these services are also free and offer additional features like credit monitoring and personalized insights. It's a good practice to check your credit score regularly to monitor your financial health and catch any potential errors or fraudulent activity. And with TransUnion's online services, doing so is quick and easy. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.